Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to dynamically show different languages when you are using Visual Composer plugin. Visual Composer is a drag and drop plugin like Elementor, and if you are using Polylang plugin for translation for your WordPress website, so you can use this plugin with Elementor and to translate your page. So with some codes, you can make a shortcode and use that shortcode inside a Elementor text block. So this is our main concept, because when I was searching for a solution to dynamically change the text inside the Visual Composer, I had no option from the Polylang, and so I need to make a footer and then put a shortcode. This shortcode responds when you change the languages, like when you click on English, DEFR. So this is the menu. For security purpose, I'm not showing the website. So when you click English, DE language, or FR French, so the whole website page changes to that language, and when that page has this shortcode inside it, yeah, the shortcode responds to the changed language, and it shows the respective text that you coded here. So in a way, you are getting a dynamic version of the text in different language. So here is how it all started. First, I wrote this code for one of my client website. So let me explain. I will put this code in my article or blog somewhere, where you can just copy paste and plug it in functions.php inside WordPress. So at first you need to create a function, any type of function name. Like I gave you a footer about us, as this was an about us section in footer, and the client wanted to have a dynamic description of the about us in the footer in different languages. So this is a simple function with PHP, and this is the term I need to use for Polylang. So this is the Polylang's official website. You can see that they are using PLL the languages to detect the languages. So you also detect the languages and detect the current languages and everything. You can see everything from here. And for example, if you write if PLL current languages is English, then there will be an HTML, and then if the current language is French, then there will be this HTML and this HTML. So if you know HTML, so this is very easy. You have to create the div class and then give the text. So when there is an English, so this HTML will show this, or the French, this HTML will show. So this function ends, and then you have to create a shortcode. This is the WordPress, so you have to follow how WordPress works with the shortcodes. You have to put the function's name here and the shortcode name you are going to use. So add shortcode. You have to write like this. So this is the main shortcode, and you'll need to put this shortcode in this form with this bracket and this text. You can write here anything like this format. So this shortcode is ready to use. Copy paste everything inside functions.php file, and you are good to start with the shortcodes. So when the page gets this shortcode, it will dynamically show these parts as languages. You can write here anything, and it will show it like this way. And then I took a text block here. After clicking on the edit button, you have to put here the shortcode, this shortcode that you made, then click save changes. So after the changes are done, you have to update the page. And then when somebody clicks on the page, the website will respond in such way. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments, and please like and share. Thank you.